Hey guys, and welcome to episode 93 of Optimization by Oliver. I am, of course, Oliver and co-founder of Europe's largest CRO and landing page design agency. We do full comprehensive conversion rate optimization for a number of brands online. And this series is where I pick a brand that I admire online, I don't currently work with, and I show you what I would do if I was in charge of their CRO. Now, one thing to bear in mind is I have zero data here. I have no access to any sort of data, which is crucial when it comes to CRO. So this is purely a UX UI heuristic type audit. I'm going to show you before and after designs, and I think these changes would have a dramatic effect on this brand's store and revenue. So this is great, the awesome shoe brand. We start with the homepage. As you can see, aesthetically, a massive transformation between the before and after. Before, not much information, very wishy-washy kind of black buttons on a dark background that don't demand a click. There's zero social proof, there's zero trust. We've gone with a much more appealing visual. We then get the social proof in. We've got a clear benefit-driven title to really get the value proposition of the store across, supported by those all-important benefit-driven bullet points, a nice clear call to action, and we've even managed to get a testimonial above the fold. Now, if you can get that testimonial in, make sure it does one thing. It handles a common objection. For example, with these guys, a shoe store, let's say that most people object, as in they say, oh, we didn't know that the shoes actually fit us. Find a review that says, true to size, perfect fit. You've just handled that objection up front and you're pushing more people down the funnel. Speaking of going down the funnel, onto the PDP, the product page. Some subtle changes here. These guys do a pretty good job actually, but we've made some enhancements which I think will improve their revenue per visitor. First and foremost, we added the all-important thumbnails underneath the image carousel. I've say this time again, I say it in every video, image carousels are gold dust. They are literally mini landing pages within your PDP above the fold. More people are going to swipe through that image carousel than they are scroll through your landing page. So make sure people know there's more images. Thumbnails do this. Number two, we've pulled up the social proof. Why wouldn't you have it above the fold? We've then laid the pricing out, and we have benefit-driven bullet points pre-selling the product before we have those color options. We then move on to the cart drawer, and we made, again, a few subtle improvements here. Why are these guys not incentivizing based on free shipping or free gifting thresholds? We've done it with a progress bar, gamifying, adding more into the cart to increase that average order value. We've laid things out a little bit neater and cleaner so it's more clear for the customer exactly what's in their cart and what they're purchasing. And we supported the checkout now button with a guarantee reminder and the payment seals that are going to push more people through to that checkout and therefore purchasing. This is what we do, guys. This is what we've done for 12 years. If you'd like to work with me and my agency, book a free call in. There's a link in the description. Let me know what you think of these improvements, and I'll see you in the very next one.